Hey guys, so you should think of time as uh, uh, just whatever number divided by 24, for example. Okay. What this means is, see, if I put a date here, okay, I'm pretty sure everyone has seen. Uh, if I convert this to plain text or a number, it will be some sort of number like this, right? Which means it's actually a whole number, right? But if I put the current time like this, for example, then if I change this to automatic, you'll see it's actually a decimal value. Okay, so that's the major difference between what's happening undercover with date and time. Okay, so dates are integers and times are decimal values. Okay, so what happens if you put a timestamp? If you press Control Shift Alt and semicolon, that puts a timestamp. Which means this is actually a whole number followed by some uh, decimal values. So if I go back to automatic, you'll see this is actually today's date, which is this, followed by the decimal value of the current time. And if I go back here to the format options, you can select any one of these. If I select date, you can see the time is still here, but it shows only the date, right? Similarly, if I go to just time, the date is still here, but it shows me only the time. Only if I go to date time, it shows me everything. And then finally, at the bottom, we have something called as duration, which means you can show, instead of, let's say, 2 hours, if I just divide this by 24, you will see this is supposed to be 2 hours, but it's showing up as a decimal value. If you want it to show up as 2 hours, then you just simply say duration, which is the difference between times. Okay, so this is not 2 a.m., but it's 2 hours of time. That's all about time versus duration. Thank you.